Hi guys, welcome to our video comparing the old and new tax regimes. So let's dive in. The significant differences between old and new tax regime includes tax rate. Under old tax regime, there were multiple tax brackets with different tax rate based on different income levels. However, the new tax regime introduced a simplified tax structure across the board. Here is a chart comparing the different tax rates under old and new tax regime. The second key significant difference is exemptions and deductions. Under old tax regime, one can claim exemptions and deductions to reduce their taxable income, which includes education expenses, medical expenses, home loan principal adjustments, and many more. However, under new tax regime, it eliminates most of the exemptions and deductions in exchange for a higher standard deduction. One goal of new tax regime is to simplify tax filing process and improve compliance. Now it's time to analyze the break-even point where there will be no difference in tax liability between old and new tax regime. Now with this table, we'll try to figure out that which income tax regime we should go with basis our income levels and deductions. So let's suppose that we have a gross income of 5.5 lakhs and deductions are zero. In that case, you can choose either of the tax regime. Your tax liability and tax payable will remain same. Now let's take another example. In this example, your gross income is 10 lakhs. In first scenario, if your deduction is zero, then you can opt for new tax regime because your income tax liability will be lesser than that of old tax regime. Now the second scenario we'll take is you have a deduction of 2.5 lakh with an income level of 10 lakhs. Then in that case, you can opt for any of the two regimes. Your tax liability will remain approximately similar. Now the third scenario we'll take is your deductions are 2,87,500 and your income level is 10 lakhs, then you can go with old tax regime because your tax liability will be lesser than that in case of new tax regime. When total deductions are 1.5 lakh or less, new tax regime will be beneficial. When total deductions are more than 3.75 lakhs, old tax regime will be beneficial. When total deductions are between 1.5 to 3.75 lakhs, will depend upon your income level. You have to choose between these two basis your income level. Choosing a regime with lower tax liability is a logical approach, and it is essential to inform your employer about this choice so that the appropriate TDS can get deducted from your salary. We hope this video has helped you to understand the differences between old and new tax regime. If you have any question or if you would like to share your thoughts, you can leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.